Hello, this is Flying Miner. In this video, I will be trying to land a Boeing 717 at San Diego International Airport. But this time, I'm gonna choose stormy weather. And let's do sunset. So this will be a more challenging landing. So let's go ahead and try. I'm gonna be landing at runway 27. But sometimes when it's foggy or the weather is pretty bad, they usually change it to runway 9. So yeah, when it's stormy, airplanes take off from runway 9. Usually they take off from runway 27. But I'll try to land on runway 27. Well, this looks pretty nice. So let's choose the weather. Let's make it even more foggy. Let's do light turbulence. Storms a little heavier than usual. Let's do this. This will be that, and that is clear. Okay. Now let's choose runway 27. 3 nautical miles away from the airport. Oh my god. Alright. I might have to go around. Beautiful sunset. Whoa. I don't know if you can hear. I'm planning to buy a yoke that mounts to a table, and it'll be easier to fly a plane. Now I'm flying with a mouse. Ugh. Extend the flaps. Ooh. Nope, no. I'm too. I hope this doesn't lose the frame rate, because sometimes when I record my screen, the frame rate is very bad. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Okay. I recognize the road. I used to live right next to this airport, but now I don't. So sad. I've never seen a 717 in this airport. Oh. No, I'm going around. Go around. Wow. I hope I stayed on the runway the whole time. Well, this was more like a touch and go rather than a go around. I think I will turn around and land at runway 9. If I have to go around again, I will divert to a nearest airport. I don't know, somewhere in Los Angeles, maybe. I would love to be inside this plane. I've never experienced a go-round. How far are we? That's pretty nice. Alright, so slow down a bit. I might have to replace this sound file with a realistic sound. Alright, let's turn it. Let's do something. This is too hard. Let's do like this. Yeah, this should be. Yeah, it's better. Alright. Oh, I hope my MacBook doesn't run out of memory, because I have 500 gigabytes in my MacBook. I'm recording right now on a MacBook, and currently it's at 499 gigabytes, so I might run out of space. What? No, I'm not gonna be able to land. Well, I can try. I can see already that I'm not gonna be able to land, but I can try. Oh, you know what? Let's go right to lose some altitude. Then we can go left. Full flaps. Landing gear down. Okay, this looks a little better. I'm so concentrated. Oh, right. Okay. So I landed. Wait, I have to go right. Okay, so bye bye.